Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Bestway Coleman 26-foot by 52-inch pool set with Wi-Fi pump. Kick off the summer and bring your family and friends together with an above-ground pool in your backyard. This unique pool and filter pump can be controlled from your smart device through the Bestway Smart Hub App. The app lets you turn on the SmartTouch pool filter pump, set a timer for the filter to turn on, and set reminders for pool care and maintenance. No matter where you are, you can make sure you'll have sparkling pool water each time you jump in. Product benefits. This pool doesn't require any tools to set up. The corrosion and rust-resistant steel frame is equipped with seal and lock system for a sturdy, secure, and simple frame connection. Included stocked with a safety ladder. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.